If any of you ever owned the diver's watch, maybe you already know that most, if not all, dive watches usually have a screw down crown and a screw down watch back. So this means that you can actually screw in and unscrew the back of the watch with a special key in this case because it is a Rolex, or with a regular watch wrench that has 3 points, and you can actually go to the left in order to unscrew it and to the right in order to screw it back in place. And also the watch crown is screwed in. So if I want to set the time, for example, on this Rolex watch, I have to rotate the crown to the left side, and as you can see, it begins to go further away from the case until it will pop. And at this point I am able to wind the watch, or if I push the crown even further, I will be able to set the time. Once I have done all of this, and for example I want to go for a dive or for a swim, in order to protect the movement inside the case, so the actual watch, I will push and rotate at the same time so that the crown is now very close, as you can see, to the watch case. So only at this point can I say that my watch is ready to go inside the pool. So on regular Scuba 200 watches, you can actually pull the crown, set the time, and as you can see right here, there is a very small place, even after we push the crown back in, where water might be able to come inside the watch. When it comes to splashes of water, washing your hands, maybe even taking a shower, you should not have any worries of water getting inside the watch. Once again, we also have the watch back, which is screwed in place, but it also has these 3 points where water could go inside and go between the watch case and the gasket inside the watch. So in order to answer your question, because most of you really want to know if you can go inside the pool with your vintage Swatch watch, the answer is most likely no, because there is a risk, especially with vintage Swatch watches, that you will damage the watch, and since the Swatch watches cannot be opened and repaired, that damage will be irreparable. So that was the video, guys. I hope you found it useful. If so, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts. If you own any of these Scuba 200 watches, maybe you have an interesting story about one of them, please share your story so that the rest of the Swatch community can read it. And until next time, guys, all the best.